Down, 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 down. Welcome to the show. Have to excuse me, I'm a little out of it today. Of course, you know, yesterday I went to the gym. I'm still a little sore. I'm still walking around. I went for a walk today, just kind of keep it stretched out, keep it mobile, so to speak, if you will. Oh yes, a little bit of hot coffee. That sounds so good, doesn't it? Whew, that is really hot coffee too. Whew. All right, so welcome to the show. Welcome. Getting choked up here. I'm so glad to be on the set. Oh my God. To Tuesday, April 16th, 2013. Oh yeah. Whoever thought we'd be here at 2013? Wasn't there a big like Y2K scare again? I'm not gonna lean back that far. I'm gonna spill my coffee. It's really hot. Wow. Wow, I'm sweating. Look at this. So you'll have to excuse me. I got animal hair all over me. I've been doing a little bit of housework today. Coffee's boiling. Like I said, I was a little bit sore today. Went for a good long walk. Beautiful weather. All means, go out. Enjoy the weather, man. It's been so beautiful these past couple of days, hasn't it? Went out, went for a long walk, came back, had to go back to work. After I got done with work, I came back home. Then I had to fucking do some stuff. Then I had to clean and some stuff like that. So, yeah, busy day. Yeah. But speaking of animals and animal hair and all that other stuff, I got animals, man. I love animals. Animals always have like this special place in my heart. It's like, hey, look at that animal. And it's like, oh, that's so cute. It's like immediately, it's like a God or something, or whoever you believe the creator to be, put like a little button in the back of my head. It's like, cute. You will be overridden by cuteness. Aww. Yeah, just like that. So, I have guinea pigs. I have a lot of guinea pigs. I love my animals. I love my guinea pigs. I find them very cute, very quiet for the most part. Very non-aggressive animals. They just kind of chill. And they're all like, hey, what's up? And then I come by and they start squeaking and stuff. And they're like, hey, what's up? I was like, oh, what's up, guinea pigs? What are you doing? And they're just like, nah, just chilling, eating. It's like, cool. You know, they're, so tonight I actually had to clean out the cage, and yeah, took a lot. In fact, you know, it's just one of those chores, man. You go out there and you do it, and you're like, I need to clean some cages. But, they're not always quiet. They make some strange sounds sometimes. I will give them that. There's been nights, you know, like I said before, I'm recently single again. Recently single, you know, and that's a hard thing to get used to. You live with somebody for 3 years, you know, you kind of get used to them being there and stuff. So, like lately, I've noticed I've been going to bed and stuff at night. I'm by myself, and I started hearing strange noises in the house. I'm like, what's that? What was that? Oh my God, right? There's no noise here at night anymore, and now it's just like I hear all these little weird sounds. I'm like, what was that? What was that? Right? So one night, you know, it kept sounding like somebody was like walking on the wood. I got hardwood floors, and it looked like something. It sounded like somebody was just like walking on the floor downstairs, and I'm just like, okay, that's kind of weird. Kind of weird. Cool. I lay back down, I'm chilling, then I hear it again. I'm like, dude, there is somebody in my fucking house. I started freaking, man. I was like, shot straight up, got up, and I was like, uh-oh. Got my freaking 45, right? Yes, I have a 45 I keep with me. I got my 45. And anybody who doesn't know what a 45 is, it's a pistol. So I grabbed my pistol, and I walked downstairs, and you know what? I felt like I was in a really, really bad, like, Rambo movie or something. Or Predator. Yeah, I felt like I was in Predator. I'm like holding the gun here, and I'm like, I look like a horrible. I look like one of those stagehands on a bad cop movie. You know, I'm just like, right? Don't get me wrong. I know how to use my 45 and everything, but I mean, I could just imagine myself just like clearing the house and everything. Like, you remember those news videos of like those soldiers in Iraq and stuff, man? They kick in the door and they're just like, go, 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 right? Me, it's like, go, go, go. All right, top's clear. You know, ceiling. There's Spider-Man's not on the ceiling. We're clear. Yeah, so I was like clearing my house like a soldier or something. It was crazy. It was crazy, you know. So yeah, the other day, I say the other day, it was like last week. I'm driving, right, and I'm kind of running late and stuff like that, and I had my food. I think I was cooking some pizza rolls, man. So here I am. I cooked some pizza rolls last week and stuff like that, and then I'm like, oh crap, I gotta be somewhere. So I'm like, I need to go, and I need to go like now. So no crap, I run up to the microwave and I'm just like, right? And then I'm like, well, I'm still hungry, so I start pouring them like in my hand, and here I am. I'm like trying to lock the door, make sure I got everything. I go out to the car, I get in the car, and I'm like, and I sit down and I close the door and I turn on the car and I start driving. As I'm driving, I'm just like, right? So here I am. I get to a stoplight. I'm just like, I felt like a bad Homer Simpson. I'm at the stoplight. And I got my car stopped, and I'm like, pizza rolls, no. There's people next to me like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? And like taking pictures and stuff. They're like, this going on Facebook like instantly now. Look at this better. These are the kind of weird things that happen to me. It's just like on a daily basis, man. Okay, I got a good story for you today. But dude, you've already told 2 stories, man. That's like quota. You're done. You're done. Save those stories for another night. All right. Well, I might. Without further ado, I'm gonna say, y'all have a good afternoon, a good evening, a good night, a good morning, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh yeah. I'll be right back. I'll be right back here. Same time, same place. Bring it on. Cheers, mate. Do, do. A little outro music.